Hey everyone, if OnlyOffice update is failing, getting stuck, or showing an update error message, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help you update OnlyOffice successfully. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Interrupted connections can prevent update files from downloading properly. Next, restart your computer and try the update again. Yeah, temporary system glitches can sometimes interfere with the update process. Try launching OnlyOffice with administrator privileges. Permission issues can block updates from being installed. Make sure your device has enough free storage, so low disk space can stop updates from completing. Some antivirus programs may block update files. Temporarily disabling them can help determine whether they're causing the issue. If automatic updates don't work, download the latest version manually. Yeah, installing the newest version directly can bypass update errors. Clearing temporary files may also help. Corrupted update files can prevent the installation from finishing. Make sure your operating system is fully updated. Outdated system files can cause compatibility problems during updates. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily, so network routing issues can sometimes interrupt update downloads. If updates continue to fail, uninstall and reinstall OnlyOffice completely. Yeah, a fresh installation usually resolves deeper software issues. If nothing works, contact OnlyOffice support for additional help. They may be able to identify compatibility or account-related issues, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice update failed problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.